Are you thinking about purchasing in Valencia Sky? Well, today I'm going to talk about the most popular floor plan of all of the floor plans available for sale. My name is Mindy Sylvester, and I've been selling real estate in the Naples area for 26 years. I've sold over 150 new construction homes, and I work a lot in Valencia Sky. Like I'm there multiple times a week. First, contact me before you go to the sales center because I can help you make really important decisions that will largely affect your resale value when you go to resale. There are so many important decisions, and I think people don't understand that they can work with an agent that works for them. The agent at the sales center works for the builder, and you don't get any discounts or special incentives for not having an agent. So there's absolutely no reason for you to not work with an agent that will work for you, that has sold hundreds of homes, that can help you make the decisions that are going to have a really large impact on the return on investment you get when you go to resell. Now, if you've already spoken or just emailed, that's fine. I can still work with you. But if you go to the sales center, I'm not able to work with you anymore. So please contact me first. I will get you all the information you need. Also, they have some really great incentives right now. Stay and play, fly and buy. Contact me before these incentives go away. So let's talk now about the Eclipse model. We're going to take a walk through that, and you will see why this model is being sold 3 times more than any other model. And of course, if you have questions about this model or any of the floor plans in Valencia Sky, just contact me. This also happens to be my favorite model. I think not just for the fact the way it's decorated, because they kind of went crazy on the decor of all the other models. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. GL Homes does an amazing job with their models, but they went a little cray-cray with these models. But not the Eclipse is gorgeous. I think the floor plan is so functional, and I don't think there are any negatives. But anyway, I've got the video, so let's check this out. Today, I'm going to show you the most popular model in Valencia Sky. There are 8 models to choose from, 6 1-story and 2 2-story. And this is the Eclipse model. It is 3 bedrooms plus den, 3 baths, 2,070 square feet under air. And this model sells 3 to 1 over all the other models. They have sold 3 times more of this model than any other home. And today I'm going to show you why. This also happens to be my favorite model, and almost everyone that I bring in kind of feels the same way. So when you enter this nice grand foyer. Of course, keep in mind that we are in the model, so everything that you see is an upgrade. Upon entry, you're going to come to a guest suite, really light and bright. That's one of the things I love about these models is that they do have a lot of windows and a lot of light. They also have hurricane impact windows as part of a standard feature. That is something that is not too common in new construction. Builders get a lot of money on their upgrades, and oftentimes hurricane impact windows is not the standard. It's an upgrade, and I've seen it as much as a $40,000 and $50,000 upgrade. So then we walk into the den. Now this den is usually kind of used as a room. Obviously it's different for all people, but they usually have some sort of pull-out sofa here. So you can use this room as a bedroom when you have guests, like a pull-out sofa or a day bed or something like that, also kind of doubling as an office. Now this is the garage, which is locked here in the model. Then you've got another full bath. Now, when we work together, I, of course, will help you figure out all the upgrades to choose that's going to be the best upgrades for you, and also to get the highest rate of return when you go to resell. So this is the first guest bedroom with a really nice closet. Sorry, the second guest bedroom. Really good sized bedroom. That is the laundry, which I do believe is open. But keep in mind, everything's an upgrade. Very beautifully done. Got a really nice closet here, which we don't really have coat closets here because we don't really need coats, except for this year we did. But most people would use that as a food pantry. Now, this is why people love the Eclipse. You've got this beautiful open area where everything is in one space. You've got your living area, your dining, and your kitchen, all of very, very efficiently laid out. Got a little alcove there for your dining, but still one big open space. This pantry here, this cabinet, is a very large upgrade. Normally it comes with a door like that. But this is one of the upgrades I always recommend my clients get because it just really finishes the kitchen. And when you work with me, of course, I will help you go through all the upgrades, like I said. I've seen people under improve and over improve, and that is one of the benefits of having an agent who sells a lot of new construction, to know which upgrades are going to give you the best bang for your money. Isn't this gorgeous? Now, this model right here is situated on what they call a small lot. So obviously no pool, but they did a few months ago come up with what they call a baby pool, which is basically a plunge pool. So you could have room, and I do have a video of the little baby pool. They just had one complete. If you want to see what that looks like. Now, in this community, less than 20% of people are getting pools, which is a lower number than usual. Typically, about 50% of homeowners get a pool in most communities. But because the lots are smaller here and it's such an amenity-rich community, people are opting out of the pools for the most part. But of course, you got to get the home the way you want it. Double closets. And then the master bath. I'm really trying not to get myself in the mirror, but it doesn't seem like I can avoid it. Beautiful. This is another upgrade just like the last one I showed you. Beautiful. Isn't this a beautiful model? I think there's no negative to this. And when you compare against the other models that are just a few $1,000s less, it's well worth the difference in the money. Yep, I guess I better shut this door, huh? What do you think about the Skyline model? Do you see why everyone seems to love it? Let me know if you have any questions or if I could get you any other information. Hey, well, thank you so much for watching that video. And again, just contact me if you're thinking about Valencia Sky or any other resort style communities. I will tell you the good, the bad, the ugly, everything I know about any of these communities so I can help you find the one that is absolutely perfect for you. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.